Just like that, it's all in. Once I get the sink in, not the sink, once I get the faucet in, I'll test it out, make sure there's no leaks. There's my finger. Put the cap on that one. That'll be good. Poisonous gases won't kill us. I have to screw this into the bottom of the faucet. And I don't have a wrench big enough, so let's see how tight we can get it. Alright, faucet's in. Down here at the piping. I have to take this off. Alright, we got it in, but it leaks. It's already 10, so I can't go to the store to fix it, so project for tomorrow. Here comes the drawer.
My arms aren't.
Why can't I help? I have longer arms and this would be easier for me. Wasn't smooth. It wasn't very smooth.
So it's just...
What's this?
It's a little electronic thing that pushes the drawer out when you put your foot at the bottom.
That doesn't make any sense, but I'm sure it will when it's done. Just got the last light bar in. I have to clean up the wiring. Put it all in the back with the rest of it, make it look good.
Much worse than this is when you're walking with the missus and some chorus ladies shout, "Hello, that bitch."
Alright, we got this on. Came with the cat. Lights are on. Just have to get the plumbing for this set up tomorrow. And an appropriate garbage can, and we'll be all set. Last thing for tonight, I'm going to put a bead of silicone around this. Keep all the crumbs and juices of cooking out. And I'll be back at it tomorrow.
It's when you're walking with the missus and some chorus ladies shout, "Hello, that bitch." Got the blues that make me hot and cold and make me shake and shiver and make me wanna air it all in the river. All the blues, my naughty sweetie.